just like your old man.
Eating it in 2 bites. How's the soup, Lila? Is it good?
Awesome.
It's
Oh, it's
awesome.
awesome. That's great. Okay, Lila, why don't you actually chew for a little bit here? No, we gotta chew.
Please.
There you go.
Second.
You're welcome.
Three.
Lila, is the soup delicious?
How does it feel going down your pants?
No, see the bib has a little pouch through it. It catches it.
Oh.
See?
Soup. Please.
Okay.
Lila, how many giraffes did you see today?
Did you count the giraffes?
Awesome.
Yeah, you really like this soup, don't you?
Listen.
It's delicious.
Mmm.
Lila, what's your name?
Pickle.
Vika.
Mmm.
Okay. Okay. Let's actually